Children, now we are going to say about the 5th standard term 3 maths unit 1 geometry. So in this geometry today we are going to say about the perimeter and the area. What do you mean by the perimeter? Perimeter naka sutralavu. That is, get a given one situation. Raju is a class 5 student of a Panchayat Union Middle School and the headmaster wanted to fence the school as their disturbance is caused by the trespassers. So the headmaster asked Raju and his classmates to measure the length of the boundary of the school premises so as to buy the required fencing wire. So Raju and his friends measured the length of the each side and added them to the total length. So perimeter is, that is perimeter is equal to length of the boundary. Length of the boundary, which is the length of the boundary is, that is over length of all the four sides, sum of the length of each side, length of each side. That is, so they are going to put the fence around like this. So in a fence all the four sides, this 3, this 5, this is 3, this is 5, this is 3. So this adding all the four sides, this is called the perimeter. Okay, perimeter, the length of the boundary line, that is sum of the length of the each and every side. So that we can know the perimeter, how much we have to in each. So we'll see an example one by one. So length of the boundary is equal to sum of the length of each side. So and the length of the boundary in that is called as a perimeter. That is sum of all the sides. Perimeter is used in framing the photo frame and for fencing the vacant land. Now write the perimeter for each of the figure. They are given the sum of the figures. Write the perimeter for each figure. So you have to write the perimeter for the each of the figure. First sum, they are given the picture like this. Okay, here they are given A, B, C and D. So here 6 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter and this side 6 and this side 5. So you have to find out, write the perimeter of each figure. So here A, B, C and D and DA. So you have to write AB. First AB length AB. Sum of all sides. So you have to write so perimeter na P. P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. அதுதான் sum of all sides. Sum na add பண்ணு. So AB க்கு எவ்வளவு இருக்குது? 5 cm plus B and C is 6 cm plus C and D is again 5 cm plus D and A. AD வரக்கூடாது DA, that is 6 cm. So இது எல்லாத்தையுமே add பண்ணுங்க. That is equal to 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 5 16 and 16 plus 6, that is equal to 22 centimeter. So perimeter of this figure is 22 centimeter. So perimeter na P is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Sum na add பண்ணனும். Sum of all sides. Okay, that is the perimeter. AB plus BC, CD plus DA. And another picture also they had given. Here also P, Q, R and S. So PQ they are given 4 centimeter and all the four sides 4 centimeter they are given. So you can write as it is. So அதே மாதிரி P, Q or S. அப்போ நீங்கள் P is equal to PQ. Perimeter is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. So PQ உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? P and Q is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter plus Q and R is 4 centimeter plus R and S is 4 centimeter plus S and P is 4 centimeter. So all the four sides, 4 into 4, that is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is the sum of all the sides. Here in fourth sum, they are given the picture like this. So every pictures கொடுத்தாலும் you have to put the add all the numbers. Suppose if they won't give the alphabets கொடுக்கலனா just you can write the numbers. So they given like this. Okay, yeah. So here this is 4 centimeter and this also 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Can you understand? And here 3 centimeter and this is 3 and here this side 6 centimeter and this side is 6 centimeter and here 9 centimeter. Here they didn't give the A, B, C, D, E, F, nothing they are given. So just write the numbers. First outer la irka numbers, velila irka numbers. Inge start பண்ணுவோம். So that is P is equal to 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So outer the numbers 3 centimeter is here, 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Again I am telling 3 centimeter plus 6 plus onduko centimeter you have to write plus 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So outer la irka numbers ella எழுதியாச்சு. Next inside 4 centimeter, 2 4 ஒரு 3 இருக்கு. So you can write plus 4 centimeter plus 2 4 centimeter இருக்கு இல்லையா centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Now you add all the numbers. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 plus 4 31, 31 plus 4 35 plus 3 38. So that is equal to 38 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this figure. So many figures they are given. I will give the sum of the figures as a homework. So you can practice this at home, children. Okay. Now this is A, B and C. Here they are given the alphabets. So you can 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then fifth sum. So this you have to do it by yourself, children. This is as a homework. So here 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. And this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5, and this also 5 centimeter. So what all I gave, you can do this as a homework. Sixth sum. Okay, so this is 7 centimeter. And this 7 centimeter. And this is 16 and this is also 16 and this is 11. So this will be the homework sum. Okay, so all the three have to do it as a homework. So now can you are able to understand, children, what is the perimeter? Perimeter means we have to add. Sum na add pannano, difference na minus. That we have already seen in the previous classes. So sum of all the sides, what picture they are given, what figure they are given, you have to add all the sides. Now perimeter we have seen, no. Now perimeter of a figure, our given figure நம்ம வந்து perimeter கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். Now we are going to see about the perimeter of a rectangle. Formula for perimeter of rectangle. So first they are given the different figures and they are given the measurements also. Now we are going to see the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. So rectangle na your table, even in the classroom also you might have seen the table, writing table and your pencil box, that seems to be the rectangle. So in rectangle, this is the shape of the rectangle. This is the length and this is also the length. Okay, and this is the breadth. This is the breadth. B-R-E-A-D-T-H. So two sides having the length and two sides having the breadth. So in pencil box you have seen, in writing table you have seen. So this is the rectangle shape. So we have to, what is the formula for this rectangle? Here perimeter of a rectangle, now all the four sides, opposite two sides and this opposite two sides. So that is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length, breadth, length, breadth. So எத்தனை length இருக்கு? 2 length இருக்கு இல்லையா? 2 into length, 2 into length, 2 length இருக்கு, bracket plus 1 2 breadth இருக்கு, 2 breadth. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. This is the perimeter of the rectangle formula. Can you understand children? This is the rectangle. 2 length இருக்கு, மேலே ஒரு length, கீழே ஒரு length, இங்கே ஒரு breadth, this side one breadth. So 2 into length, 2 length இருக்கு, plus 2 into breadth, 2 breadth இருக்கு. So this is the formula for the rectangle. Okay. So we have to use this formula and do the sums for the statement problems. Here we are going to see about the example 1.1. Example 1.1 we can see. The length of the rectangle. The sum I am writing this, listen carefully. The length of the rectangle. They will give the problems like this only, children. The length of the rectangle. Below they are given one picture also is 5 centimeter and its breadth is 2 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So they are given the problem like this. Okay. So the length of the rectangle. So length of the rectangle. This is the rectangle. I have already shown you. So this is the rectangle. The length of the rectangle below. Picture. This is P, Q, R and S. இப்படி தான் நீங்க எழுதணும். P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S அப்படி எழுதக்கூடாது. P, Q, R, S. So what they are telling? The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. Length na இதுதான் length. So you can write 5 centimeter. This is the 5 centimeter. And its breadth, அதோட breadth வந்து 2 centimeter. So you can write here as a 2 centimeter. And here also 2 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So P is equal to, என்ன formula நம்ம சொன்னோம்? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. In a formula, you have to take it out and write. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, yeah. So 2 into length na evlo? 2 into length வந்து 5 centimeter. So 2 into 5 plus breadth வந்து 2 into 2. Can you understand? Length வந்து 5 centimeter. So 2 into length na 2 into 5. 2 into breadth na 2 into 2. So 2 5s are 10 plus 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. So this is the sum. So it is the perimeter of a rectangle. Can you understand, children? So perimeter of a rectangle is 14 centimeter. You have to write like this. Next, perimeter of a square. What is the formula for the perimeter of a square? So adiyum paathalam ipo. So first rectangle ju paathom illaya. Now we are going to see about the perimeter of a rectangle. Sorry, yes, we have finished saying the perimeter of rectangle. Now we are going to see the perimeter formula for a perimeter of a square. So what is the perimeter of a square is here. So this is the square. Square means all the four sides are equal. Rectangle opposite sides only equal. Length and breadth are equal or same. But in perimeter is all the four sides are equal. This is the side and this is the side. All the four sides will be the same only. And this is also the side. Okay. So this is the square. So all the four sides may same arkadala perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of a square, that is equal to 4 into length of one side. Ellame same arkadala we can take at least one side measurement. So length of one side. Okay. So for example, the length of one side of a square is how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So this is the உங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் மாதிரி தான் வரும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். So this is example 1.2. Okay, page number 4. So the length of one side of a square is what? 7 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So you can write perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? 4 into length of one side. Enna edhano? 4 into that is equal to length of one side. Length of one side. So one side வந்து அவங்க எவ்வளோன்னு கொஸ்டினில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 4 into length of square is 7 centimeters. So you can write 4 into 7. That is equal to 4 7s are 28. So answer is 28 centimeter. Okay. So in this class we have seen formula for the perimeter of a rectangle and formula for a perimeter of a square. Okay. Now, so perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus 2 into B. Perimeter of a square is 4 into length of one side. So the length of a rectangular park. Example 1.3. The length of rectangular park. Rectangular park வந்து எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? is 60 centimeter, while its width நாலும் ஒன்று தான், breadth நாலும் ஒன்று தான். While its width is 50 centimeter. What is its perimeter? So அவங்க இப்படி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி கூட கேட்கலாம். So length they said 60 and widthனாக்கா அது வந்து breadthன்னு நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ what's the formula? Perimeter of the rectangle. You have to write for each and every sum formula எழுதுனீங்கன்னா that will be memorized easily. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? That is equal to 2 into length. 2 into length plus 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So length எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு? How much is the length? The length of a rectangular park is 60 centimeter. So that is equal to 2 into 60 bracket plus and width. Now width நாலும் ஒன்று தான், breadth நாலும் ஒன்று தான். That is 50 centimeter. So 2 into 50. So 2 into 60 na 1 0க்கு 1 0 போடுங்க. 2 6 are 12. 120 plus 1 0க்கு 1 0. 2 5 are 10. So if we add these two numbers, we will get 220 centimeter. So answer is P is equal to 220 centimeter. So like this the problem will be given and you have to solve the by using the formulas. So we will see the remaining sums in the next class, children. Thank you.